In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Clockify data. By the end, you'll know exactly which report to pick, how to narrow it down to just the information you need, and how to save it in the best format for sharing or further analysis. Start by heading to the Clockify website and signing into your account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open the reports area. This is where all exports come from. You'll see three report types. Summary gives you an overview of time grouped by things like client, project, or user. Detailed shows every individual time entry, which is great if you need line-by-line records for auditing or invoicing. Weekly presents a timesheet style view that's helpful for seeing totals across the week at a glance. Before exporting, it's worth applying filters so you only pull the data you actually need. Set your date range to match the period you're reporting on. Narrow by project to isolate a single initiative, or by client to gather everything that belongs to them. You can also filter by team member to see one person's track time. These filters can be combined and the report preview updates as you go, so take a moment to confirm the totals look right. This small step saves cleanup time later. When your report looks good, go to the top right and click Export. You'll be asked to choose a format, pick PDF if you want a clean, ready-to-share report with totals and summaries. Choose CSV if you plan to bring the data into spreadsheets or other tools that prefer raw, structured rows. Select Excel, twice XLSX, if you want a workbook that's easy to sort, filter, and format immediately. After you choose, the file will download to your device. Check your downloads folder if you don't see it right away. Now put that export to use. Open it in Excel or Google Sheets to analyze, pivot, or chart your time. Share it with stakeholders who need visibility on hours and costs. If you manage work elsewhere, import the file into tools like Notion or your accounting software to keep everything in sync. What gets exported depends on the report you chose, but common fields include the task name, the project it belongs to, the time tracked, the date, the total duration, and whether those hours are billable. Summary reports group and total these fields. Detailed exports include each entry for maximum transparency, and weekly shows totals aligned to days of the week. That's it. Open reports, pick the right view, filter smartly, export, and you're done.